Today, I am reviewing the Winix 5520 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The physical design of the 5520 is clean and functional, fitting in with most home decor without being too intrusive. It is built to handle a larger footprint, with an AHAM-verified rating for a 392 square foot room, though it can move air through spaces as large as 1,882 square feet if you give it the full hour to cycle through. In practice, this means it is well suited for a primary bedroom, a large living area, or an open concept studio. The setup is straightforward, which is something I always appreciate in an appliance that you just want to set up and forget. Starting from the outside and moving in, the first line of defense is the washable fine mesh pre-filter. This is the layer that catches the big stuff like hair, large dust bunnies, and pet fur. It is a smart inclusion because it prevents those larger particles from prematurely clogging the more expensive internal filters. You can simply vacuum it or wash it down periodically, which is an easy bit of maintenance that goes a long way. Behind that, you get into the meat of the filtration system, which is the True HEPA filter. This is the industry standard for a reason, and it is rated to capture 99.99% of airborne allergens down to 0.01 microns. Whether you are dealing with seasonal pollen, lingering smoke from cooking, or pet dander that seems to hang in the air, this is the layer doing the heavy lifting. Complementing that HEPA filter is the advanced carbon filter designed for odor control. This is the layer meant to handle those volatile organic compounds and the everyday smells that stick around in a house, like pet odors or the aftermath of cooking dinner. It is a proactive design choice because it also helps prolong the life of the more delicate HEPA filter by catching some of the stuff that would otherwise clog it up. What makes the 5520 feel a bit more modern is the suite of smart sensors and the auto mode. The unit monitors your indoor air quality in real time and uses LED lights on the front to show you where the air quality stands. If it senses a drop in quality, it will automatically kick up the fan speed to address it. This is a genuinely helpful feature for people who don't want to think about their purifier. When the air is clean, it throttles back to save energy and keep the noise down. The transition between these speeds is generally smooth, though if you're someone who is sensitive to sound, you might notice the fan ramping up if you're cooking or if you accidentally kick up some dust nearby. On that note, the unit includes an ultra-quiet sleep mode. When the room goes dark, the built-in sensors detect the lack of light, and the unit automatically shifts into a very low-power, low-noise mode. It runs at about 23.5 decibels on its lowest setting, which is effectively a whisper. For light sleepers, this is a major benefit. It means you can have it running right next to your bed without it sounding like a wind tunnel, and it doesn't leave you with a bright LED light glaring at you in the dark, which is a common oversight in a lot of other units. Once the sun comes up or you turn the lights on, it senses the change and bumps back to its normal operating mode. Connectivity is another factor here because Winix has integrated smart app compatibility. This lets you monitor your air quality and change settings from your phone, which is a nice touch for those who like to have that data or want to check on their home status while they are in another room. The setup for the app is usually pretty smooth, though if your home Wi-Fi signal is weak in the room where the purifier is located, you might find the remote features a little finicky. It is worth noting that for most people, the auto mode is so good that you might not feel the need to use the app all that often once you get it dialed in. Now, it is important to be realistic about what an air purifier can and cannot do. While the 5520 is efficient at scrubbing the air, it is not a replacement for good ventilation or regular cleaning. It is going to remove pet dander, dust, and smoke particles, but it won't necessarily stop a mess from being created. It is an aid, not a magic wand. If you live in an area with extremely high dust levels, or if you have several shedding pets, you are going to need to stay on top of that pre-filter cleaning, or you will see the efficiency of the unit drop over time. That is not a failure of the machine, but rather the reality of managing airflow in a home environment. The size of the unit is also worth considering before you buy. Because it is designed to move a significant amount of air, it has a certain footprint. It is not a desktop accessory. It is a floor-standing unit, and you need to make sure you have enough clearance around it to keep the intake and the outflow clear. If you stick it in a cramped corner behind a sofa, it is not going to work as effectively because it can't draw air in properly. It needs room to breathe. If you are the type of buyer who suffers from allergies, or if you just want to improve the air quality in a room where you spend a lot of time, this machine makes a compelling case for itself. It is also a solid choice for someone who lives with smokers or in a home where cooking odors tend to linger. The fact that it is AHAM-verified and UL certified gives you a level of confidence that the performance numbers are not just marketing fluff, but have been put through standardized testing. There are, however, a few things to keep in mind if you are on the fence. You're going to need to commit to the replacement filter schedule. Like any serious air purifier, this is not a one-time purchase. To keep it working at the level it is designed to, you have to replace the filters according to the manufacturer's recommendations. If you try to skip these or stretch the life of the filters too long, the motor has to work much harder to pull air through, which increases noise and decreases efficiency. This is a recurring cost that you should factor into your budget. If you are looking for something that is whisper quiet all the time, keep in mind that air purification requires movement of air, and air movement creates sound. Even at its quietest, it is making some noise, but it is a consistent, low-frequency hum that most people find very easy to tune out. If you are extremely sound sensitive, you will definitely want to test it in your bedroom during the day to get a feel for the different speed settings. Another consideration is the sensitivity of the air quality sensor. It is generally reactive and smart, but it can occasionally be triggered by things that you might not expect. Using a scented candle, heavy cleaning products, or even a strong hairspray near the unit can make it think the air quality has plummeted, causing it to kick into high gear. This is actually a sign that the sensor is working perfectly, but it is something that can surprise you the first few times it happens. You can adjust your habits or simply know that it is doing its job. The build quality of the 5520 feels sturdy. It uses decent-grade plastics that don't feel brittle or cheap, and the buttons have a tactile, reliable feel. It is not an appliance that feels like it is going to fall apart after a year of use. The weight is balanced, and it doesn't feel top-heavy, which is good for stability. When we look at the value proposition, the 5520 sits in a sweet spot. It is not the most expensive unit on the market, but it also is not the cheapest. It provides a level of core performance and intelligent automation that justifies the price tag. You are paying for the reliability of the sensors, the convenience of the automatic sleep mode, and the peace of mind that comes with a verified filtration system. It is a practical appliance for people who want to improve their quality of life with minimal friction. Comparing this to smaller or cheaper models, you really notice the difference in how quickly it changes the air. The internal fan and the surface area of the filters are designed to move a lot more volume, which means the room feels fresh much faster. For a large room, smaller purifiers often just end up running at full blast all the time, which is loud and inefficient. The 5520's ability to circulate and clean a larger volume of air means it can spend more time in lower, quieter, and more efficient modes, which is a much better long-term experience. There is also something to be said for the peace of mind regarding air safety. In a world where we spend so much time indoors, the quality of the air we breathe has a direct impact on how we feel. Having a system like this that is tested and proven to capture particles as small as 0.01 microns feels like a sensible investment in your own health. It is one of those household upgrades that you might not notice as much while it is running, but you definitely notice the difference if you turn it off for a few days. If you're a student looking for a cleaner environment for studying, a parent concerned about allergens in a nursery or playroom, or just someone who wants to keep their living room smelling and feeling fresh, this unit is a very strong contender. It doesn't overcomplicate things. It keeps the UI simple, the sensors accurate, and the filtration heavy-duty. It respects your time by not requiring constant adjustments, and it respects your environment by being unobtrusive. Is it worth the money? If you value a product that does exactly what it claims to do without a lot of setup hurdles or confusing software, then yes. It is a straightforward, effective piece of engineering. The fact that it is backed by certification gives it a leg up on a lot of the unverified products flooding the market. You are getting a machine that was built with a specific purpose in mind, and it executes that purpose well. Ultimately, the Winix 5520 is for the person who wants a set-and-forget-it solution. It is not for the person who loves tinkering with advanced settings or who wants a unit that looks like a piece of high-end sculpture. It is for the home where there is work to be done, cleaning the air, managing dander, keeping dust at bay, and it is designed to do that job for years. It is a reliable, steady performer that handles the daily environmental challenges of a home without needing your constant input. It is one of those rare appliances that, once you get it running in a room, you stop noticing it is there, and instead, you just notice that the air feels a little bit better, a little bit fresher, and a little bit cleaner. And honestly, that is exactly what you want from an air purifier. As we look at the broader market, there is certainly a temptation to go for the absolute cheapest option you can find. I would advise against that when it comes to something as important as the air you breathe. The cheaper units often use lower quality filters that don't last as long, or they lack the smart sensors that make the 5520 so effective. You end up spending more on frequent filter replacements, or you end up with a unit that is too loud and not effective enough. The 5520 strikes a balance that feels well considered. The investment in the unit is balanced by the fact that the pre-filter is washable and the whole system is built to last. The smart features are another area where it hits the right note. It is not connected to a complicated ecosystem that requires 5 different accounts to function. It is a straightforward app that does exactly what you need it to do, show you the current air quality, and let you toggle settings if you want to. It feels like a tool, not a service. Considering the maintenance, the fact that you can wash the pre-filter is a big deal. It is the filter that takes the most abuse, and being able to clean it easily means you save money and keep the system running efficiently for longer. It is a small feature, but it is a sign of thoughtful design. The ease of changing the HEPA and carbon filters is also quite good, with easy access panels that don't require you to be an engineer to figure out. If I had to highlight any potential downsides, it really comes down to personal taste and specific room layouts. It is not the most compact unit, so it will take up a bit of floor space. If you have an incredibly small apartment, you might find it to be a bit large. However, if you are looking at the 5520, you are likely looking for performance in a larger space, and you get that performance precisely because of its size. The trade-off is entirely logical. When you weigh all of these factors, the filtration efficiency, the ease of maintenance, the smart sensor accuracy, and the performance in large rooms, the 5520 ends up being a very rational purchase. It isn't trying to change your life, but it is trying to make your living space more comfortable, and that is a goal it achieves with consistency. It is a product for the person who wants their home to be a sanctuary and who understands that better air is a big part of that feeling. If you are tired of waking up with a stuffy nose, or if you're finished with the lingering scent of pets or a last night's dinner, this machine is a very solid answer to those problems. It is dependable, it is efficient, and it is designed for the reality of day-to-day living. Whether it is running in the background while you sleep or working hard while you are out of the house, it is quietly doing the work that needs to be done. It is hard to ask for much more from an appliance than that. There is a sense of satisfaction in knowing that the air in your home is being cycled and cleaned, and the Winix 5520 does that with a level of performance that makes it easy to recommend. It is an honest, straightforward machine that does exactly what it promises. For many people, that is the most important quality an appliance can have. It is a reliable partner for your home, providing clean air day after day without any fuss. Finally, just a quick reminder that while this is a review based on the specs and design of the product, your experience might vary slightly based on the specific conditions of your home, such as humidity, room layout, and the source of the allergens you're trying to combat. That said, the 5520 is a robust, well-engineered solution that handles the vast majority of indoor air quality challenges with ease. It is a balanced tool for a balanced home, and it is well worth considering if you're looking for a reliable way to keep your environment clear and comfortable.